Women can have the hair they've always dreamed of, with bold, sensuous looks from the Raquel Welch wig collection. Known for her legendary beauty, the iconic actress's line has been one of the largest and most respected wig collections across the globe for 2 decades. As Raquel says, when you feel good about your hair, you radiate beauty and confidence. And Raquel makes it easy and effortless with her 2018 collection. Simmer is a light and airy style, an easy-to-wear mid-length lob with gentle unstructured waves and tapered ends to make this the perfect undone chic look. With the sheer indulgence temple-to-temple lace front, monofilament top, off-the-face styling and varied parting alternatives are possible. Big Time is a perfectly undone silhouette, the ideal combination of a bob and a shag cut. Mid-length waves throughout are designed to perfectly accent the eyes and jawline. The resulting ease of movement gives this cut alternative styling choices. Plus, the sheer indulgence temple-to-temple lace front monofilament top allows for off-the-face styling and varied parting options. Flirt Alert is a chopped bob that's loaded with wave and movement. This flattering style includes an eyelash bang and curled back waves for a thoroughly modern vibe. Slightly tapered ends and natural volume bring this classic silhouette right up to date. The sheer indulgence temple-to-temple lace front monofilament part makes off-the-face styling and parting alternatives possible. Advanced French has long layers throughout the top and crown that combine with loose textured lengths to create a completely free-formed windswept look. A sheer indulgence temple-to-temple lace front means it can be worn brushed towards the face or swept back. For added styling excitement, this short silhouette is complemented by a smooth, neck-hugging nape. This softly textured cut, Classic Cool, brings the classic page cut into the future. Light bangs and softly sculpted lengths along the sides are designed to flatter the face with ease. The gently sculpted back adds a beautiful silhouette that is both polished and relaxed. The sheer indulgence temple-to-temple lace front monofilament part allow for off-the-face styling and parting flexibility. Watch Me Wow is designed to flatter the face. This shoulder-length style has softly textured bangs to accent the eyes, while point-cut sides adorn the cheekbones. Light layers throughout give this cut maximum movement and the look of a salon-quality blowout. The sheer indulgence temple-to-temple lace front provides off-the-face styling, while the monofilament crown offers a natural contour. Raquel's style is simply beautiful. The freshest looks, the easiest to wear. A wig should be as easy as slipping on a t-shirt and a pair of jeans. Look beautiful in no time with the Raquel Welch 2018 collection.